I just made $300 in an hour and 30 minutes trading one simple strategy, the break and retest, which is something I always practice and preach every single day and use it to my advantage while I'm trading live. So we was just live on TikTok, took a few trades live. I hope you guys did not miss out. And if you guys don't want to miss out, make sure you guys tune in on the lives every single day. Let me break down how I made this much money live, what strategy I used, and what asset I used to trade, which was on oil, to make this much money.
So again, the strategy that I love to use to my advantage is the break and retest strategy. So this is a very simple level that I'm using here, which I'm not going to go too in depth and show you guys exactly where that level came from, but you guys can see I'm using this level and trading it. So I saw a rejection here, try to take a short. Essentially it was going in favor. I was up about like $80, $90. I was just in one contract. Then it pulled all the way back up to break even, stopped me out. And then you guys can see breakout here. So what do? Again, another break and retest, except it's to the upside. So we entered 3 contracts, a nice push, sold for a nice $300 gain. And here we are all the way to the next session, guys, where we are again trying to trade the same exact level area. Try to go short 3 times, ended up getting stopped out break even. And now we're just up, just $1. But either way, you guys can see I'm being very consistent, trading exactly the levels. All it is essentially is a retest. Every time you retest the general area, you can take an entry, retest, retest. If it breaks back above, essentially you can take a break and retest back to the above for the upside. That's all it is. That's how simple I keep trading, and I don't try to overcomplicate it. And that's all it is, guys. That's it. We did just take payout the other day. So as you guys can see, we already made $1,600 on this account, but we did take payout. So now we have about $1,000 left, and we are going to shoot for another payout again here shortly. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys on tomorrow's video.